So this video would be titled How to Make a Twisted Baling Wire Connection Strong. And once you get your twist started, like zoom right in on the twist first off. See how it's nice and neat and both pieces are bending around each other. It's not just one piece bending around the other piece. The trick is to pull it towards you really hard while you're twisting. And that helps them wind up and tighten the joint without twisting one end of the wire off. And then when you're done, just cut the excess.
If you saw earlier in the time lapse, the chicken coop came from here over to that fence over there. They moved it this way because of this chicken. They can fly all the way up here, so they might be able to fly all the way above the pallet. So they're gonna put chicken wire across the top of it. So that's why they put this part right here closer, so they could cover the top of it with chicken wire.